He's ready to eat. Food time. Another vlog. So today we're going to be doing what I normally do on a daily basis, and also like kind of a little maintenance day, because we're home, not really going to go anywhere, but it is good if we're not doing anything to tend to yourself. So I have to go to my nail tech, probably going to get her to do my nails. If not, then I might be just doing stuff to the nails, like just paint my nails regular, but with a twist. Or yeah, I'm just gonna do whatever the day takes me. So first off, my room's kind of messy right now, but not messy so where I can just pick up things and go. If I sound sick, I might be getting sick, and I'm gonna blame my siblings for that, because they're all sick right now, and I currently been around them, tending to them. So yeah, I might be sick a little bit, or maybe just getting like a little nosy, because it is cold too. So I'm like, it's just probably cold because my hands are freezing. So tend to my room, do some laundry, because even maintenance day means like doing stuff that you need to do for yourself. So it's like tending to like your skin, tending to your feelings, tending to your area around you to make sure that is like up to part of how you feel inside. So I feel very clean, but also feeling fuzzy because my area is not how it's supposed to be. So I need to do laundry, clean my desk off. I'm going to put that bag in the car to get rid of it, because that's donate bag. I'm going to ask around my siblings if they got stuff that I need to donate. So I'm going to ask them about that so that can go. What else? Get rid of that box, and also do my door again, because my siblings' cat ripped my door wallpaper, so now I have to redo the whole door. So yeah, but I'm liking this outfit setup. Now I gotta know what outfit I'm going to wear for the day. I got this cute one, that's a dress. I'm like, this is more cafe style. You got this one, this is more like a photo shoot. This one's more like comfy loungewear. I like these outfits. Can't wait to try them. Since it's December, it is fashion season. It is sad season of the month. I am happy. I don't know. Usually people be like, oh, bounce off a wall. I'm in mellow season. I'm like acting like, what's the sign that says mellow? Taurus. I'm acting like a Taurus right now. But yeah, I'm gonna tidy up my room, and probably took a shower last night, so I'm gonna change it to a different outfit. Oh, I need to do my hair too, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do my hair. I was thinking I should do a half up, half down, or should I do like a kind of like put like some braids or just like twists in my hair, and then put up in a bun. And then put like a big poof on the back of it, because I think that look cute. Yeah, I want to do that one. I like the second option better. Because last night I was thinking I should do like a half up, half down look. So Yeah, I'll probably do that. But yeah, I'm gonna be back with you guys when I finish cleaning my room. Do what?
I can't even do it. Oh, I thought that was you for. Wait,
That is me. That's me. Anyway, keys. I just like as I tidy up room, I forgot I ordered some sandwiches. So I'm gonna take me a little lunch break and then we can get back started. I also got me some tea, which is not a good comparing like combination of tea and sandwiches, but in the midst of the time to keep myself from getting any more sick. But I love tea, so I'm gonna drink me some English breakfast tea, my favorite. It's my favorite next to hibiscus and hibiscus lime tea. Oh, and this common tea that's come from the same brand. I'm like, that is a good tea. Like, I like that tea, so I might need to get more of that. But I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my food. So we're gonna go ahead and have us like a food soiree, something like that. So see you guys in a bit. You can join us, join your baby. He's ready to eat. Food time. Watching Criminal Minds. And that's it. With a dog.
Coffee.
The pleasure of doing it. Again. It's the third time he's looked back at the camera. He's looking back.
I got cat food.
And red wine vinegar.
Ooh, I definitely need that for my cooking. We got some soda.
Some vegetables and some fruit.
We got asparagus, blueberries. What's that, broccoli?
Yeah.
Poppy tart, saltine crackers.
Mm-hmm. Sunflower kernel.
Kernel. Ooh, not seeds.
You gotta have
Bananas.
banana.
Got blackberry. Soda. Which turns out we found out that's bad for you, but we're gonna still drink it anyways.
Yeah, because it has corn syrup.
Yeah. Stuff up. Oh, we also got pineapples. We're gonna jump right into getting our hair done. And so first, I'm gonna start taking my braids down because I hadn't braids the night before. I'm gonna take a section down. I'm gonna end up greasing, actually like hydrate back my hair up. So I'm using this Kpcutie cocoa butter, not cocoa butter. I forgot the name of it, but I'm using this Kpcutie hair moisture, and I'm putting it all over my hair. I'm gonna brush it out, make sure there's no knots in it, no kinks or anything. So I'm gonna brush it all out. Okay, ladies, I did this off camera. I sectioned the front part of my hair. I did it into like a kind of like a triangle, but a little bit more slanted on one side. And so I'm going to end up taking my hair. I'm going to brush it, but also put gel on it. I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner by Cutie because it actually for my hair is different from other things because I don't like to use certain products. So I use that to help hydrate it. Also help me like smooth out my hair, lay it flat, because my hair for some reason don't like to use some products that leaves your hair like help flatten your hair down. So I'll use that to spray on first. Then I brush it out to make sure there's no more knots. I add in the leave-in conditioner as needed. Once I do that, then I add in the gel, the styling gel, onto the edge of my hair. I make sure I smooth it all the way around. And leaving the part where I section it off, I only do the parts where it's close to the section where it's been sectioned, and then I like sleek it down, then I brush up into a bun, and then we can get started doing the little poof.
Outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow.
Okay, kids, once you finish that, you're going to take a elastic band or shoelace, whichever you prefer. You're going to take it, you're going to wrap it behind your head, then you're going to tie it like a shoelace at the beginning part, and make sure you pull both strands farther apart, so make sure your hair can be all into a bun. You can leave your hair like this and just go ahead like the part where the bun part, or you can take elastic band and like make sure it's like down, like your hair is all neatly tucked, because this other part is what I'm gonna do is different from the part, but you can leave it like this if you choose so. All you gotta do is fluff out your hair to make it poofy.
My dear, we're still goodbye, but as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
As you finish with that, then you're going to go ahead and do your little swoop. What you're going to need to do is make sure you brush out the knots, make sure there's no knots or any kinks.
Let it
Then you're going to take some gel and you're going to gel up the edges all the way down on each side.
outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought me some corn.
Then you're going to take your hard brush, not a soft brush, a hard brush, and you're going to swoop it to the side. Make sure the swoop is very pressed down hard. Make sure nothing comes loose undone.
How I hate going out in the storm, but if you really...
Then you're going to take some bobby pins. I used 2, but you can get how many if you want for your hair. I took one, put one to the back and one to the front to make sure everything's hold down in place. Then once you finish doing that, then you're going to take you a head wrap or so, whichever you prefer. I took my head wrap and wrap it around my head and make sure it's tightly, so once it finishes drying and stuff, it don't come undone. So make sure you do that, and then bada bing bada boom, you get your hairstyle. Okay, kids, I am back. I just finished doing my hair, and it looks so cute. Like, I was gonna plan on just doing the bun thing, but my mom ended up giving me the idea to go ahead and put this on. Like, I look so cute. Like, it took from being, okay, so she's pretty, she's cute, to a whole vibe. Like, she's new money. Beyonce, little Beyonce, / bougie, sophisticated. So yeah, I am so loving this hairstyle. This is my first time ever doing my hair like this, like swooping down, because I usually do it either put it up in braids, just have my natural bun or 2 buns. I call them poofs actually, but sometimes I do the rubber bands. But now I want to try it this way, and it looks so cute. Like, I am loving it. But back to eating. Yeah, I forgot to record. I told you guys about it. But I did my hair. Now eating. I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. I forgot. Oh yeah, I gotta do that. Still forgot about that. Gotta do that. Clothes. I'm waiting on the other pics. I gotta let everyone else do clothes. Then to do mine. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing this up. I need the glue gun to do the other part. Do I have the tape on? Well, but I gotta go drink my tea. I am so happy I did this thing because it makes me so good and happy when I do my hair. But oh yeah, which is 5 of our advent calendar. So I'm gonna go ahead and record that. So I gotta find 5th day. Ah, here it is. The bird. so cute. I can't wait to open it. So go ahead and sit you guys down. See it right there like this. So here I am, open day 5. Oh, it's so cute. What? Wait. I thought it was a reindeer. It's not a reindeer, guys. It is actually Santa's sack. It's so cute though. It's really good. I did a lot of things. I was thinking I should do makeup with this hairstyle, but I just like it like this. It's cute. I'm like, I don't need the makeup. I'm not really good now. But I might do change my outfit. Even though I'm not going nowhere. I mean, it doesn't hurt to like dress up for yourself. Like, you don't have to go nowhere to be like able to dress out. You just dress up at home. I'm learning that. I've been wanting to do that, like just dress up, like how if I would go out and stuff like that. My hair. So yeah, I'm probably gonna close this video out here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go and follow my social media pages, link down in the description box below. My link tree is also there, so you can go ahead and follow my social medias from there. Point on. And yeah, don't forget to go comment down below which part of the video you like. Did you like me doing this, that, and another? And also go check out my TikTok while I'm over there, where I do funny skits, and I be funny over there. And over here, I do whatever I feel like to do today. And on Instagram, go check out my pictures so you can see the fit of the day. As you can see, this could have been like a photo day too, but next time, because I gotta get my nails done. So next day I probably might do is get my nails done, or probably get my hair done. I don't know which one is this. It's whatever the day takes me, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out my family social media pages. I'll also leave it down in the description box below. And that's this video, so I'll see you guys next video. Bye, kitties. Cutie out.
You have 10 cookies and someone asks for 2. How many do you have?
10.
Okay, what if someone forcefully takes 2 cookies? Then what do you have?
10 and a dead body.